What if I told you that there is a stately home in England, hiding a mysterious inscription that some believe points to the Holy Grail? Welcome to Shugborough Hall, where history, beauty and secrets collide. Located in Staffordshire, Shugborough Hall has been home to the Anson family for over 300 years. Step inside and you will wander through state rooms, the grand dining room, the richly decorated red drawing room, and a library that feels straight out of a period drama. Don't miss the hidden treasures and high-quality furniture in each room, and observe the beautiful paintings on the wall. But the magic is not just indoors. Below stairs you will discover the servants' quarters and laundry rooms, offering a glimpse into everyday life centuries ago. Outside, the gardens are a traveler's dream. Walled gardens bursting with blooms, serene terraces along the river Sow, and an arboretum with over 150 oak trees. And then comes the follies, Chinese bridges, a triumphal arch inspired by Athens, and the mysterious shepherd's monument. Its carved inscription has puzzled historians for centuries, sparking theories from hidden codes to the Holy Grail itself. Shugborough Hall is not just a stately home, it is a journey through elegance, mystery, and landscapes designed to amaze. Don't forget to like this video, write your comments, and subscribe to my channel for more traveling adventures and music. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.